ever since I was a kid, there was only a couple ways that someone like me knew how to make it out of the hood. That was to either be a rapper, go to college, get a good job, or go to the NBA or go to the NFL. And since I can't rap, one of those options was immediately out of the picture. So I went on to go to college and I eventually played some professional football. But after getting cut a couple of times, I'm talking about I got cut from the Dolphins, I got cut from Texans, boom, cut. Now that I made it out of the hood, I realized that throughout my entire years of going to school in college, they taught me nothing about financial education. So I had to teach myself if I wanted to live the life of the NFL player of having a whole bunch of money after I'm done working by doing absolutely nothing, I had to figure out ways to create passive income. So in this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how a pretty normal, average guy that knew absolutely nothing about finance growing up, that learned absolutely nothing about finance in classes growing up, how I was able to generate thousands of dollars every single month in passive income to where one day when I retire, I'm gonna have a very large cash flow to enjoy my life. So I'm gonna give you guys 6 different income streams that I currently have, making me over $8,000 a month. Woo! So you guys might wanna stick through the entire video for this one, guys. I ain't gonna BS in this episode.